Good morning, everybody. This is Janpha Thadphoothon. I'm in my garden, and my show English in the garden. Can you hear some birds singing? Right, because I'm in my garden, and this morning we're gonna talk about a definite article, the or the behind me. Usually, when we talk about something in oral or there's a bird behind me, you usually suppose that the, your audience knows what you're talking about. So, in a way, this is what I'm writing. You are making what we call the presupposition. So, in other words, you assume that you know the other end or your interlocutor or the person you are addressing knows what you're talking about. So you use the audit to signify that kind of situation. So this is what I would like to talk to you about the use of the audit to make presupposition about your talk or about the discourse. For example, when you say the prime minister, the prime minister is working very hard. The prime minister is working very hard. You kind of assume that your audience knows what you mean by the prime minister. That's got to be the prime minister of Thailand. If you were a British citizen, living in the UK, when you say the Queen came out the day before to address the nation. The Queen, actually, the Queen referring to Queen Elizabeth II because you were a British citizen. Kind of you know what you're talking about and you assume that your audience also knows what you're referring to. So we assume a lot of commonalities in our understanding, but sometimes it can lead to misunderstanding if you assume too much that they will know what you're talking about. So, example, if you say that the virus, everybody is afraid of the virus. So we use the word the virus to refer to COVID-19. So we kind of make presupposition. So this is how we use the word the or the in the English language as an article, and that's why we call this kind of article definite article because we want to define we give to give a definition of that particular entity that we are addressing, and we need to do something for the society. When we say the society, we mean the society in general. Okay, and yeah, this is my uh, I mean bit tidbit for you. I mean, my tidbit for you, about English grammar on the use of definite article, the or the. So next time round you want to uh, try to look at notice the language, you can look at the use of definite article. It's the same thing with this one. English in the garden. So when I say the garden, I mean my garden. Is it the garden down here? So English in the garden. Oh, you know. So I assume that you know what I'm talking about. So this is Janpha Thadphoothon. By the way, if you like what I'm you can subscribe to my channel, and because it's Sunday morning, what better way to start your day with nice cup of coffee? Yeah, this is good coffee. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have a good weekend.